where I put that condensing unit in. Oh, it was just a little while ago. It was one of the ones that came flat, no nitrogen charge. So let's see what we get into up there. That's some nice noise in my truck. They said the box is at 65 degrees, so let's drive out there and see what we got. All right, 4th of July shuffle. This is the one, the compressor failed, the one where we rolled the dice. Had no nitrogen charge, remember? It mechanically failed. So here we are. Yes, I'm laughing about it. What can you do? Microns are coming down. We're almost there. Little compressor replacement. We're totally slammed and booked for the holiday tomorrow, 4th of July. Today is the 3rd. I'm out here in the evening, nighttime shuffle. So, yeah, we'll get this holiday weekend started. Yeah, I had a little taster of one of the beers out here. Doesn't make you drunk. You're still safe to drive the car. Like the size of a thimble. He wanted me to try this one flavor. It was pretty good. My 2003 Robinair. I think it's a 6 CFM. 6 CFM 2003 model. Still going strong. Here's my vacuum test on it. What do you guys look for? 50 microns in 1 minute? Watch this. That's like 44 microns in like 25 seconds. I think she's still smoking hot. They don't make them like they used to. A damn good vacuum pump right there. Look at that. It's like 37 microns in less than a minute. Not bad. Not bad. He got himself stuck in there. He's jumping for the hole. Oh, you almost had it. You're almost out of there, dude. He's trying. Oh, you almost had it. Hang in there. Come on, guy, get out of there. Hey. Get out of the trash can. Come on, stupid. Let's see if he jumps out of there. I got the door open for him. There he goes.